What's up, my people? So today I'm going to show you how to make $100 every single day using a small account like 500 bucks. So what I do is I normally just use a 500 bucks account, make 100 every day with the draw. Okay, so I'll show you everything, even today's trades, how we took the trades on the group, how I made the profit, and how I made my withdraw today for the savings. Okay, so this is it. So we had a very strong bullish trend right here. Okay, so then after we missed the first trade in the morning right here. Okay, the market pushed high and then moved all the way to there. Okay, there was a consolidation. Okay, and then once the market came close to this zone and pulled back, okay, I did not expect the market to pull like all the way to the moving average. Okay, see, since the market is very strong. Okay, and I also notified that on the group. Okay, you can see today is 21st right there, 21st. Okay, so both are really aggressive. So bought at 1.2695. Okay, don't use big lot size. Yeah, so after that it was still updates on how I was managing the trades. Okay, then be patient, I will hope on Geo. Then I bought the trade right here. Was it? Yeah, and then after a short while the market spiked. Okay, so I first got in with half a lot size, half a mini lot. Okay, so that's like 5 micro lots, like 0.05. Okay, and then I hopped on. Normally using a $500 account, I normally use like a 0.1. Okay, so after that, after I got in the 0.05, once the market confirmed the trend, I then added a 0.05. Okay, after this green candle closed. Okay, right there. So that was a good confirmation that the trend will be strong. Okay, so if you look at the MetaTrader 4 right here, you can see the market had pulled all the way. Now we were looking to just get in. So the RSI was already getting in the oversold zone, okay, on a bullish trend. So I was looking to buy right there. I have like 6 entry techniques and one to catch the reversal, so the seventh one, which is more important than even catching the entries. Okay, so if you want to learn about the all my entry techniques, like the 6 of them, you can just book to buy the guide. It's just cheap, like 40 bucks only. But if you want to have like a session with me and still have the guide, you can just charge like 50 bucks. If you want like to have the full mentorship from beginning to the end, you can just buy that at around 100 bucks. Okay, I have more than 30 people who have gone through the sessions, and they are very good in whatever they're doing right now. Okay, so after that the market just spiked higher right there. This was the trend that we had. So after the market got right here, I told people I just exited immediately. Okay, right there. Once the market moved, I just exited. Okay, I told them to about the guide. Okay, all the stop losses were adjusted. Okay, and then I was out of the trade. Boom, I secured the last 50 pips for the day. Okay, so that is it. If you come to my MetaTrader 4 right here, you can see that was a clean trade, and we also had another trade in the morning. Okay, so let's check on today's trades. You can see it's my real account. It's a small real account right here. Okay, real account right there, Samuel Nyamo, my name. So we can go to trade history. Okay, and maybe flip our account, our phones. You can see today's trades. So today, loading here, clean, 98 bucks for today. That's like $100 profit. Okay, you can see. So today is 21st. You can see all the dates right here. It's 21st all the way, and I have already withdrawn my 39 for today and secure for the savings. Okay, and then balance to grow and still keep on compounding. Okay, so normally every end of the week I normally return the account all the way back to 500 bucks. Okay, so keep on securing the profits. You need the profits every single day. Okay, yeah, so that's how you keep on trading a small account and make good money. Okay, very easily, because you don't have to you don't have to have like a big account to make any money. If you look at this, we are only risking like 20 bucks. Okay, 20 bucks on a $500 account, that's like around 4%. Yeah, that's like 4%. Okay, sometimes like yesterday we were risking like 9 pips. Just imagine 9 pips, and we got around 70 pips profit. Okay, we got the trade right here. Okay, got in, the stop loss was at 9 pips, and then we secured all this. Okay, 70 pips, pam. Okay, so if you want to learn about my strategy, make sure you check on me on the Telegram group. If you want to join the Telegram group and the channel as well, the link in the description below. Okay, and also make sure to like this video so that you can trigger that algorithm. Okay, so make sure your like button is blue. Okay, and also make sure you subscribe if you are new here, because I'll be sharing a lot of content that will help you become a better trader. Okay, keep it very, very simple. Trading is very, very complex, so unless you keep it very simple, you never succeed in this market. I was struggling for 2 years until I came to realize that I probably will still be losing. But once I realized you should just keep it very simple. You can see I only have a moving average, 200 moving average, and the RSI. That's it. All my entry techniques are based on the RSI. On the RSI and the moving average. Okay, but I have one main reversal techniques to catch the end of the trend. Okay, I normally teach that on the guide as well. Then after you have the guide, then I'll add you on the group, and then you can also mingle with the other polished members who are sharing a similar strategy. Okay, so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, thank you so much for passing by. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and share the video as well. Bye bye.